Namaste children, how are you all? I hope all are good. In last class, we discussed above and below, inside and outside, top and bottom. Okay, some these concept we have to learn. So now today we are going to the same concepts. It means same like that. Okay, so first one is on and under. So on means melee. So under means, so the English words are synonyms. It means above and below, above, on. So and then upper, so top. So those words are synonyms. So we can use to different way. So, okay, like that, on and under. So now look at the page number 9. So page number open, textbook page number 9. Okay, so now the word is first one is on and under. So on and under. So now what is the on and under in the textbook? Look at that. So one table upside one book is there, and then downside one bag is there. So then making the sentence, so I will read the sentence. The book is on the table. Now look at that. The book is on the table. The book is on the table. Next one, the the bag is lying under the table. The lying under the table. So using these words, so it means, okay, so we can understand for on and under. So what is the meaning of the on and under? The book is on the table. The bag is lying under the table. So under means kelagade. So we can call it as below also. Okay, lower. So we can, these are the synonyms words. So we can use to different ways. So English words are used to different ways. So now I will show the one more example of, so in the screen, just look at that. Okay, so now here on and under. Okay, so look at the first picture. The flower pot is on the table. The flower pot is on the table. Flower pot table ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇದೆ. So next, another one, the slippers are under the table. The slippers are under the table. So look at that, these are the slippers is under the table. So the slippers are under the table. So now this is the one example. So now go for the second example. So we have to tell once again, you can try this. Okay, the carrot is on the chair. The carrot is on the chair. Next, go for another one example. So it is on, in, under. So is joining the in. Okay. So now we can understand for in. So on in melgade, olagade. So we can consider for the in, inside. So now we can consider. So the apple is in the box. The apple is in the box. Okay. Now another one. So look at that. Here, pumpkin. So pumpkin is under the table. The pumpkin is under the table. So now, so it is a concept. So in the page number, textbook page number 9, so homework is a given. So what is the homework? Now the homework is given. What is the homework? Now I will read that. Draw an apple on the tree. So we can draw the apples. The tree figure has to be given in the textbook. Draw the apples. Page number 9. You draw the apples. Now go for same. That's same right side. Color the items on the table with red. So on the table items are, we can shade the color using red color. Okay. Next, under those under the table, some items are under the table with green color. So we can fill up the green color. So that is the example. So we can understand for on and under. So now go for far and near and far. So now it is near and far. So I will tell the one example of textbook example. Now, so now look at that. So page number 10. I will tell that page number 10. Okay. The car is parked. I will tell that the car is parked near the house. The car is parked near the house, but far from the hill. But far from the hill means gudda. Okay. So the car is parked. Car el park agide is near the house. Pakkadalle is near the house. Okay. But far from the hill. Adre ಬೆಟ್ಟದಿಂದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೂರ ಇದೆ. So that is ಕಾರ್ ಇದು ಬೆಟ್ಟದಿಂದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೂರ ಇದೆ. So now using the concept, read this concept near and far. Near ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹತ್ರ, far ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೂರ. So ದೂರ. So okay. So now using this sentence, now look at that. Okay. The girl is near the tree. So look at that. Tree is near very. So girl has to be. ಹುಡುಗಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಹತ್ರ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ, ಮರಕ್ಕೆ. The girl is near the tree. The girl is near the tree. But the boy is from the is far from the tree. But the boy is far from the tree. So now I will tell once again. The girl is near the tree, but the boy is far from the tree. So ಅವನು ಹುಡುಗ ಮರಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೂರವಾಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಬಟ್ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮರಕ್ಕೆ ಹತ್ತಿರದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ನಿಯರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್. ಸೊ ನೌ ಐ ವಿಲ್ textbook problem 10th one. Draw football near the boy. Draw the football. So we can round shape figure. You should draw the near the football player. So one boy is there. So you can near the leg side. So leg, under the leg you have to draw one ball is it, you know the football, that has to be draw the figure. So now circle the kite which far from the boy. Circle the kite. So kite is there, so we can circle the kite. That has to be right. Kite, kite, spelling has to be right in the round of the kite, and spelling has to be right in the circle the kite which far from the boy. Which far from the boy. So that is your homework. So 10th one and 11th one. So you can understand for near and far. Near andre hatra, far andre dura. Okay, examples has to be read it. Okay, so now that is main concept. So okay, so it has to be near and far. These are common words, you know. Okay, so now I will come to the before, between, after. Before, between, after. Okay, so now if we start looking from left to right, we start looking from left to right. Okay, now look at that. So here left to right, we have to start looking from left to right. The doll is before the girl. The doll is before the girl. Doll ಗಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಇದೆ ಯಾವುದು, girl. So the doll is before the girl. Next, the robot is after the girl. So robot ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ girl ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. So now where is standing, where is standing girl? Where is the girl standing? The girl is standing in between the doll and robot. Now I will tell once again. The doll is before the girl. The doll is before the girl. The robot is after the girl. Where is the girl standing? The girl is standing between. The standing between. Which are there? The doll and robot. Did you understand? When middle place is girl, the girl is after the doll, and then the girl is before the robot. So now using this concept, so now I will show the textbook concept. Okay, okay, it is my concept. That is, you have to see the before, after, and between. Before and between. So now look at that. So one picture is there. Grandpa is standing before Papa. The grandpa is standing before. So before Papa. So okay, the grandpa is standing before Pa. So our appanginta ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಪಾ ಮುಂಚೆ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸನ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಪಪ್ಪ. ಸೊ ತಂದೆಯವರ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸಣ್ಣ ಹುಡುಗ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಸೊ ಮಗ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸನ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಪಾಪ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ papa, son and grandpa, three members are in the standing in the figure. So we can use to grandpa is standing. Grandpa is standing before papa. Son is standing after papa. So I'm already told the girl is, so the doll is before the girl. Okay, the doll is after the girl. So we can understand. Okay, so now who is, so the papa is between, papa is standing between the grandpa and what is that, son. So papa is between, so it is middle, so madhya idane. Okay, papa is standing between the grandpa and son. We have to using. Okay, draw a picture after sunrise and color it. ಸನ್ರೈಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಚಿತ್ರವನ್ನ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾದಷ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಪ್ರಯತ್ನವನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಡ್ರಾ ಎ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಸನ್ರೈಸ್, ಅಂಡ್ ಕಲರ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ತಂದೆಗೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡ್ರಾ ದ ಸನ್ರೈಸ್ ಅಂಡ್, okay, before sunrise and after sunrise you have to draw the pictures and send me to the my personal WhatsApp number. Now go for to the between concept. Between concept is very very easy. Between concept is middle. Between concept is middle place between. So look at that. So between concept, now the, so mother and papa and son is there, which who is between. So the boy is standing between the mother and father. Look at that, easily if we had to, the son is standing, the son is standing between. So ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, the father and mother, ತಂದೆ ಮತ್ತು ತಾಯಿ ಇಬ್ರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾರ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸೊ ಮಗ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ son is standing between the mother and father. Okay, so the given example, so given example in the textbook, color the beautiful hut has to be given, the beautiful hut between the two trees middle. So one hut is there, so you have to draw that. So which color you have to choice. So don't use the green color. So green color both are same, that has to be, we cannot, it is not fine. So use two different colors. Okay, except green color. Okay, sunrise has to be given, sun's picture has to be given using that. So you have to draw here. Okay, in the before page number 12. So using the between and after, before and after. Okay, so now draw the hut, sorry, beautiful shade the hut. Okay, so now so in this concept, before, between and after the concept, before, between, after. So look at that. So you know the numbers. You know the numbers. UKG students already we have learned in the UKG classes. You have to learn. So 1 to 50, I think, or to 100 numbers. You know. Okay. Just once again recall the concept. Before, between, after. Before means ಮುಂಚಿತವಾದ್ದು, between means ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, after ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. So write the number that comes before, between and after. So before, so the girl is standing before board. So 6 before 5, 10 before 9, 88 before 87, 3, 4, 5. 4 is the between number. 3 and this side 5. So 4 is the between number. 15, 17. Which number is there? 16. 62, 64. Between number 63. 7 after 8. 13 after 14. 99 after 100. So that is the concept. Okay, so we have to learn the numbers. So next chapter, the second chapter is numbers. Okay, the second chapter is we have to learn before, between completely. Okay, playing with the numbers up to 0 to 20. So that numbers we have to, second chapter we can easily learn to the before, between, after, understanding the concept, completely understanding. Okay, just you know these words above and below. on and under, near and far, inside and outside. Okay, so now above and below, some you have to learn that. Okay, top and bottom. Okay, these words keep in the mind and rather, so remaining concepts has to be, you have to draw that and share the colors and send to me, to the my WhatsApp number. Okay, dhanyawad students, first chapter I will finish. So okay, next I will go to second chapter, that has to be learned from the numbers. Okay, so now thank you students, just watch the video and then learn the concepts. Thank you so much. Dhanyavad students. Thank you so much.